One thing I gotta do is I gotta get something soft to go along my rim right here of the goggles, because there's like crusted glue that dried. It rips apart my forehead.
Jacob has that laser sight on.
Yeah.
You can see that's clear as day.
Good. Don't tell him that.
I debated on
Where is it? Oh, it's over there.
But I didn't.
No, I mean, he's aware if you're using a laser sight, you can see it.
Yeah.
That's why I covered up all the lights, all the LEDs in my cameras.
Oh, this is burnt.
Don't worry about it right now, Sam. We're playing.
I know.
You're just gonna put it in your fucking pouch?
Yeah, I am.
Oh my god, you're a lunatic.
I know. Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna later.
Alright, well later. Oh, fuck. I have like a minute in between foggings.
Yeah.
I have to keep wiping it. I ate shit hard.
I know, I saw.
I'm good though. I just rolled. I'm good. I threw my gun 10 feet, but I'm good. Gun works. Killed him. Dude, that was 100% blind. I've been fogging up this whole time. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm glad for that. Yeah, I'm starting to fog up again. I couldn't see you at all until you moved. I couldn't see you at all, and then there's the fog, so I definitely couldn't see you. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
That shit was scary as fuck.
That was a fun game. Someone's phone's on the ground. No, is that yours?
No, it's Jake's.
Okay.
Chris, how is your body?
Oh, I'm good. I said, yeah, I'm good at taking the roll. I'm good at turning a fall into a roll.
Oh no. You bring it up.
But you won't let him.
Love you too, but I mean, come on. But like, dude, what the fuck? Fucking throw my shit around.
Just pick up the goddamn branch, put it out of the way so you're not tripping over everything. Holy shit.
Oh no.
I'm like the Queen's Guard. I don't move for anybody.
He
What?
tripped on it and brought it in the way.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Take the branch up and put it out of the way. Because it's clearly in the way.
Oh.
Chris, if you were actually a Queen's Guard, you wouldn't have failed putting it back in.
Jack, I like your TP. What's the point?
Sorry.
What's the point?
It's not a TP.
What's a TP?
Is
Toilet
it,
paper?
like, meant to hold a brazier?
No.
That's a TP.
I'm trying to like think of, I don't even know what they're called.
The big steel things from like that they had
Yeah,
on
you know,
D-Day
like
on the
in any
beaches.
war game where you play the mission.
Like the
where
tank
you go
blockers?
Yeah.
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 Jake, the tank stoppers.
Huh?
Those are tank stoppers.
Yeah,
I don't know what
those.
they're called, but they're tank
Big
stoppers.
fucking-
That's what.
Yeah.
That's just like those.
Okay. I can't use it for cover, so.
Well, no, it's not supposed to. It's supposed to just be in your way, so you can't go there.
So I can fall and then crack my neck on it.
Yeah.
But why don't you have it in the house?
Awesome.
Well,
Awesome.
Failed.
Jake, if it comes down to me and you, we drop the guns. You pull out the lightsaber, I pull out the
No, it's
axe.
a dance battle.
I will lose. I don't play Fortnite. I'm not.
I don't
Neither
think
do I. I don't know, man.
What's the PUBG dance?
I can't land.
I can't jump.
Crowd hasn't loaded in yet.
I do the Apex dance, which is just constant sliding. It's my favorite part. I cannot stop sliding in that game. It gives away my position constantly.
Yeah, it just came untaped. You know?
Yeah.
This is all electric tape, so. It's like
Yeah.
2 rolls. It was
You
like, it
got
was
to-
taped like
it's
this,
like
and it
2
came out
rolls.
of there.
I got more electric tape with me. If
You
you,
do?
yeah. Should be right in my gun case. I think there's a roll.
I
Yeah.
brought some too. I left it on the trunk of my car.
Go look at my gun case, the double one. See if it's in there. It might be right on top. Is that somebody's magazine, like pistol mag, or what is that?
Where?
Right there.
No, it's speed loader.
Speed loader.
Oh, it's a speed loader. Okay. Well,
This is the double one.
yeah, dude.
Get all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. Fuck yeah.
Shout out to Oliver, the best written character in any TV show ever.
Yeah.
Dude,
Rico. He was great in Ender's Game.
dude, I see Snap like on.
Oh, I tooted. No?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What'd you say?
Yes, it wasn't loud, or yes, it was loud enough. So if I say, are you sure? Yes, you're confirming it was not loud enough.
I know, I'm being an asshole.
Okay.
Yes, it's fine.
Spread out.
It was me
Oh,
that
wait.
touched you.
I say it definitely felt fleshy.
Fleshy, that's not possible with my glove.
Good, go!
Hold you.
Sinking for, I don't know, fart knocker. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, me and Dylan were standing behind here. He was like, "This is where the losers stand," and I was like, "Oh, there goes Sam," and you were just like in the distance, started flying through the woods. I was like, "Wow, you guys were not lying." She is just
She's
like,
fast. She
like
goes.
it's her natural habitat.
It is.
She's just like,
Yeah, she's from Michigan. She's never even seen a tree till she came here.
never seen it.
No, she's like, what are those?
Like fucking birds and
This is National Geographic.
I've only seen him in books.
Oh my god.
That's just what I do.
Yeah, I could see the trees on the page.
Things I do in real life, I fucking rush.
I tried to.
Dude, you got want some water?
When you got hit
I'm
first, I
smaller
was
though,
like,
it's easier for me.
Dude, good job though. Got 2 of them.
Yeah,
I
absolutely.
that last bullet came up, skimmed right over the scalp.
Dude, he got me in the tip of the head too.
I keep getting headshots.
It was just like,
Shot.
Yo! What, did I drop it?
Jake's got it.
How?
I don't know.
Oh, thanks. Hey, you're gonna break it. Oh, thank you. I am hungry too. You guys could have kept going. Don't need to wait for me. Sam reloading cover me. Yep. I did not fill that mag fully, or I just fired way too many.
Dylan, he's like right on the other side.
That was like the worst tactical reload I've ever done in my life.
I did on Sunday. I did
I gotta clean off my gun. It's all covered in dust now.
I need to clean off my gun.
Nah.
Fucking dunk it in the water.
I like the gun. I don't like the dot sight it came with, honestly. It's too obtrusive. Blocking my vision. I'm honestly not aiming this whole time. I'm taking a couple shots and seeing where it is and just adjusting. I'm honestly I'm rail shooting this whole time.
Been in the water a couple times.
Me too.
Kind of